Yangie Bay.
Today we're in Coffin Bay on the Eyre Peninsula. We're going to be exploring this area. Our first stop is Oyster HQ, farm tour and tasting. Let's go.
That's not fair. Well done. Give them a round of applause. But yeah, also very nice. Jerry's still very much alive and going well. He's currently 10 years old and weighs a bit over a kilo. Okay, we just came from the Oyster HQ farm tasting tour. So yeah, fantastic experience. You get to put these lovely waders on. Just forget about the fashion side of things, but anyway, keeps you dry. And we walked out and we got to do a bit of shucking, how to open up the oyster shells. We ate some and had a couple, well, we ordered some Bloody Mary shots and it had an oyster in it, so that was nice. And just the whole history about the oyster farming. So we are now at the Coffin Bay National Park. So I heard it's beautiful here, so let's have a look. See if we can find some emus, Tony.
What's this been at?
Yangie Bay. Yangie Bay?
Yangie Bay.
Yangie Bay.
sunlight we can't chase. We can see where it takes us, writing stories that shape us. It's a good time to find a little magic in the moonlight, all that we can discover in this sky full of wonder. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure. Take a look now, we got everything we need to make our way out. We could follow the ocean, yeah, we could live in the moment. And every sunrise, looking out, we see it all with fresh eyes. There's a hope that you can take with the dawn of a new day. We got everything beneath our feet, we see it all. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure. It's a good day, we got sunlight we can't chase. We could follow the ocean, we could live in the moment. Born for adventure, made to run free. Days we'll remember, with the world to see. Always ready to run when the wild's calling. Ready to run and we won't stop. We were born for adventure. Born for adventure.
Alright, so that was the Coffin Bay National Park. Really lovely scenery. There's some walking tracks which we didn't do, but we're going to come back one day and do those. And there's also some four-wheel drive tracks that are four-wheel drive only that you can do in that national park. So heaps of stuff you can explore there. Anyway, we've quickly got changed because we're back at the Oyster HQ for dinner. Alright, let's see what they serve up.
They've got nice tone. We have a chip.
Chip. That's pretty good.
Alright, Tony, what have you got there? What a great way to finish the
the day at Oyster HQ. Fantastic, 100% recommend the food here. It's fresh and it's really great quality. Heaps to see in Coffin Bay and the National Park. Highly recommend it. We're going to be coming back here at some point because there's still stuff that we haven't seen. But if you like this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and join us for our next one as we explore Australia.